Namaskar students, today we will continue with numericals from the chapter determinants. We have to continue with simple numericals based on properties which I have already taught you plus application of determinant. See, you have find the value of this determinant. See, determinant can be expanded using row, column, whatever way, but you must be intelligent enough and experienced enough to apply properties so that the work can be reduced. आपको क्या करना है, देखो 135 1001 3003 5005 17 19 23. It is such a big determinant in terms of number. So what we shall do is simple, taking 1001 common from C2. This is column 2. If you can take, you have the property, you can always take something common. तो 1001 अगर बाहर आ जाता है तो यहाँ लिखो what remains inside 135 as it is. ये बाहर आ गया 1001 तो यहाँ 1 3 and 5. It is a multiple of that. और यहाँ 17 19 23 आ गया. अभी C1 और C2 की तरफ देखना. Yes, अगर दोनों सेम है तो प्रॉपर्टी क्या है, when two columns or two rows are identical, value of determinant is 0 and that's the first sum. समझ में? Yes. दूसरा देखो, D equal to 10 57 107 12 64 124 15 78 153. इसकी वैल्यू चाहिए. See, ordinary way क्या होगा, you have to just expand. You see, these are very big numbers. You cannot learn tables for these big number. So what you do, दिमाग लगाओ. क्या दिमाग? देखो, C2 changes to C2 minus 5 times C1. ये 10 है, 10 into 5 50 इसमें से निकाल दो, 12 into 5 60 निकाल दो, 15 5 75 निकाल दो, तो यहाँ बचेगा क्या, 7 4 and 3. Once you do that subtraction you get it. Next column 3 में देखो, ये multiple इसके कौन सा नजदीक है, 10 times. हाँ, तो देखो C3 minus 10 C1. This is C3 10 C1. 10 into 10 100 कट हो गया, what you get is 7. 12 into 10 120 कट हो गया, बचा 4. और 153 minus 10 into 15. 10 into 15 कितना है, 150. उसे कट करो 3. इसके बाद आप देखो 10 12 15 7 4 3 7 4 3. देखो C2 equal to C3. What's going to be the answer? 0. Students, we have a good problem on the board. Prove that 111 a b c b plus c c plus a plus b equal to 0, and we should be taking care that we will not expand this because that is expected. You need to apply properties of determinant. तो आपको कैसे करना है, बोलो. You write LHS, write the determinant given to you. Then think, you see 1 1 1 a b c and b plus c. What is missing? b plus c में a missing है, c plus a में b missing है, a plus b में c. So best way is to observe and देखो r3 changes to r3 plus r2. So what are you trying to do? In row 3 you add row 2. So 1 1 1 as it is, a b c as it is, and as per the property value remains same and therefore it is b plus c plus a is become a plus b plus c. Then c plus a plus b, it has become a plus b plus c, and ultimately a plus b plus c, and you have throughout the row 3 a plus b plus c. So by the property what you do, you take it common. तो वो आ गया कॉमन, तो 1 1 1 एज इट इज, a b c एज इट इज, एंड अल्टीमेटली देखो यहाँ से a plus b plus c बाहर आ गया, इसका मतलब यहाँ 1 1 1 आ गया. लेकिन ऐसा होने से r1 और r3 देखो सेम आ गया. So once it becomes same, r1 equal to r3, you know by the property what is its value? Correct, its value is 0. So anything into 0 is 0. Students, we have put show that problem. Left side you have determinant, right side you have determinant. So you must take care that you cannot just expand this side, that side and make it match. No, that is not the way. You need to apply properties so that from this determinant you get this determinant. तो देखो पहले क्या है, a square plus 2ab 3b square c square plus 2bc. Something little bit deviating from symmetry here. All right. A B C 1 1 1 to be brought as a square b square c square abc 1 1. I had but particularly read it column wise just because we wanted to continue LHS in similar fashion. अब तो मैं क्या करूंगा, देखो आपके पास है LHS, देखना, so little bit understanding a square plus 2ab, तो यहाँ c square plus 2bc भी है, so two things are similar, why not this, इसीलिए मैंने क्या लिखा, 3b square is written as b square plus 2b square. अभी देखो कॉलम 1 a square plus 2ab b square plus 2b square c square plus 2bc, तो 2 2 2 कुछ अलग सा, yes that's a symmetric one, abc 1 1 1 as it is. As per the determinant property, क्या property है कि when all the elements of a row or column are expressed as sum of two terms, first term second term, first term second term, first term second term, when this happens you can separate determinant as a sum of determinant. So please refer to other video where you can see properties of determinant. तो इससे हम सेपरेट करेंगे, उसमें क्या मिलेगा, देखो ABC 1 1 1 as it is, ये फर्स्ट एलिमेंट वाला फर्स्ट डिटरमिनेंट एंड सेकंड एलिमेंट इज द सेकंड डिटरमिनेंट, दैट इज एज पर द प्रॉपर्टी. अभी देखिए a square b square c square abc 1 1 should be written as it is actually your RHS, but this side is extra which is not there in RHS, तो हमें थोड़ा एडजस्टमेंट करना है. क्या है देखो, 2ab 2b square 2bc, यस क्या कॉमन ले जाए, 2b कॉलम टेकन कॉमन फ्रॉम कॉलम 1, 2b टेकन कॉमन, तो बचा क्या a, बचा क्या b, बचा क्या है c, abc 1 1 1 as it is. The moment you see abc you understand column 1 equal to column 2. जब किसी डिटरमिनेंट में two rows or two columns are same, what is its value, right, its value is 0. So 2b into 0 0, what remains is only this determinant and that is your RHS. Students, now we will see Cramer's rule, that is application of determinant. कैसे है देखो, 1 upon 2 raised to x plus 2 upon 3 raised to y is given to be 10 and 3 upon 2 raised to x minus 5 upon 3 raised to y is given to be minus 3. So ऐसे वाले सब में हमें कुछ ना कुछ रिप्लेस करना पड़ेगा. दिस इज अ बिट ऑकवर्ड वे ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन. सो हम क्या करेंगे, लेट अस से 1 upon 2 raised to x is a and 1 upon 3 raised to y is b. तो दिखने में थोड़ा सिंपल लगता है, तो क्या करना चाहिए, 1 upon 2 raised to x a 1 upon 3 raised to y is b. तो देखो यही दिए हुए इक्वेशन क्या बनेंगे, इट विल टेक द फॉर्म a plus 2b equal to 10 और 3a, देखो 3 अपॉन है मतलब 3a माइनस वैसे के वैसे 5 into 1 upon 3 is to 5, इसीलिए 5 into b is minus 3. You understand? So अभी ये दो इक्वेशन है, there are two unknowns a and b. We need to first find a and b and then convert it to x and y. कैसे? तो सबसे पहले हम डिटरमिनेंट d प्रिपेयर करेंगे. कैसे, a का कोएफिशिएंट 1 3 देखो फर्स्ट कॉलम, b का कोएफिशिएंट 2 -5 सेकंड कॉलम, जस्ट वर्क आउट इट्स वैल्यू, 1 into -5, 2 into 3 6, -5 -6 it is -11 which is not zero, it is non singular. तो इसका सॉल्यूशन निकलेगा. तो देखो dx क्या करेंगे, x मतलब अभी x लिखा है एक्चुअली इट इज a, सॉरी तो इधर a चाहिए, dA करेक्ट. सो dA क्या है, फर्स्ट कॉलम भगा और 10 - 3 रिप्लेस करो, करेक्ट. 10 into -5 -50, 2 into -3 -6 माइनस प्लस 6 कितना बन गया, -44. जब हम dB निकालेंगे हम ये b वाला कॉलम रिप्लेस करेंगे 10 - 3 से, तभी 1 3 as it is. You understand? So first column as it is, second is replaced. In this case, second column as it is, first is replaced. What's the value? -3, -30, -33. Once you work out requisite determinants, apply the formula. क्या formula है? A equal to dA upon d. तो dA क्या है? -44. What was d? -11. ये आ गया 4. What is b? dB upon d. What is dB देखो -33 अपॉन what is d -11. ये क्या आंसर आ गया, 3 आ गया. अभी अपना काम हुआ नहीं है. A and B were introduced by us. Actually they have asked us about x and y. तो देखो A equal to 1 upon 2 raised to x और आपने A क्या निकाला 4. So replace it. but 1 upon 2 raised to x can be laws of indices 2 raised to minus x. सही बताया, is 2 raised to 2 when bases are same equate exponent, so minus x is 2 and hence x equal to minus 2. अभी लास्ट पार्ट that is b equal to 1 upon 3 raised to y पहले से लिखा है, b की कीमत 3 है, 1 upon 3 raised to y क्या है, 3 raised to minus y. कहाँ से आया, laws of indices. Now when the bases are same you equate exponent, तो minus y equal to 1, so y becomes minus 1. Students, we have a beautiful problem in the board. Find k if the following equations are consistent. तो पहले मैं बोल चुका हूं what do you mean by consistency of equations. Consistency का मतलब है same performance all the time. In this case, values of x and y which are same for all three equations, then equations are said to be consistent. तो अभी consistent है कि नहीं है ये प्रूव करना नहीं है. We are supposed to find k if these equations are consistent. For that matter, we must know condition for consistency. और वो क्या है? Yes, determinant must be 0. कौन सा determinant? देखिए, you need to first write the given equations in proper format. मतलब keep two terms here and the constant term to be transferred to the other side. This, yes, this and this, yes, correct. तो constant term उस बाजू जाने के बाद हमें पता है condition for consistency. First column is x's coefficient, second column is y coefficient, and the third column of this determinant is minus k, minus 6 and minus 1. Now you need to expand, but because we know certain properties of determinant, what we will do is first देखो क्या किया है, r3 changes to r3 minus r1, मतलब रो 3 से रो 1 माइनस कर दिया. सिंप्लीफाई करने के लिए ऐसा कुछ करना पड़ता है. आप बोलेंगे यही क्यों किया? यू कैन डू एनीथिंग, दैट इज अ वैलिड कैलकुलेशन. कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. क्या होगा, अगर गलती होगा तो थोड़ा सा लंबा हो जाएगा, लेकिन फाइनल आंसर वही आने वाला है. सो डोंट वरी. सो 1 1 माइनस के एज इट इज, k 2k minus 6 as it is, and now 1 minus 1 कितना आता है, 0, k minus 1 देखो आ गया, minus 1 minus minus k, तो k minus 1. Okay, this is 0. Now you should understand there is k minus 1 in this row which can be taken common, तो इधर लिख लिया k minus 1 रो 3 से कॉमन आया, तो 1 1 minus k, ये फर्स्ट रो में जो दिख रहा है वही लिख दिया, k 2k minus 6 in the second row as it is, and 0 1 1, क्योंकि k minus 1 बाहर आ गया है. अभी k minus 1 as it is, just expand this determinant. You know how to. 1 into 2k minus, देखो 2k minus minus, समझ में? फिर देखो minus 1 k minus 0, समझ में? और ultimately it is minus k into k minus 0. Once you get that, have a look. 2k plus 1 minus k or minus k square. Everybody understands this? Yes. अभी क्या हो रहा है, k minus 1, so ये minus k square इधर है, plus k, समझा? 2k minus k and 1, actually it is not 1, it should be something else. There is a printing mistake. You see 2k into 1 2k and minus minus, this should be plus से. अभी सही है, so इधर plus से and hence it is plus से. अभी देखना ये k square और ये k और ये 6, what did you do? Throughout you have multiplied by minus sign. Once you do that, please find factors of this quadratic equation. So last two lines, देखो, this is all equated to 0. So if you equate individual bracket to be 0, then what you get is k equal to 1, k equal to 3 and k equal to 2. Students, we have one more application of determinant finding area of triangle. In this case, you given coordinates of vertices of triangle. A is minus 1, 2, B is 2, 4 and C is 0, 0. You know that area can be formed using formula. And what is that formula? Half x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1 and x3 y3 1. So in this case, what should we call x1 y1 any coordinate. तो आप अगर a को x1 y1, b को x2 y2, c को x3 y3 बोलते हो, तो substitute as it is, and then you have to expand. You see half as it is, -1 into 4 into 1 4 minus 0, then -2 2 into 1 2 minus 0, and of course plus 1 into 2 into 0 0 4 into 0 0. तो -1 into 4 -4, -2 -2 into 2 -4, बोलो -4 -8 अपॉन 2 कितना आंसर आ गया है -4। अभी आप बताओ एरिया कभी नेगेटिव हो सकता है क्या? नो। इसीलिए फाइनली वी शुड राइट एरिया इक्वल टू मॉड्यूलस ऑफ, इसे बोलते हैं एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू। व्हाट यू शुड थिंक ऑफ ओनली नंबर एंड नॉट इट्स साइन। इसीलिए -4 का 4 आ गया, स्क्वायर यूनिट मस्ट बी रिटर्न, हमें पता नहीं वो सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर है मीटर स्क्वायर है, जो है स्क्वायर यूनिट, एंड दैट्स योर आंसर। सो दैट वाज एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल। अगर किसी ने आपको क्वाड्रिलैटरल का एरिया पूछा तो देखो आपके लिए मैंने प्रॉब्लम रखा है, यू कैन सॉल्व बाय रेफरिंग एन नंबर ऑफ properties as well as sums here so that this can be done। लेकिन उसी के अंदर मैंने आपको हिंट देके रखी है। Simple thing what you should do, you draw a diagonal। So by doing that, there are two triangles। You can work out areas of these two triangles separately। See that you take out absolute values such as this। तो अगर नेगेटिव आता है तो उसको पॉजिटिव बना दो and then add it to get area of quadrilateral। देखो आंसर भी लिखा है, इतना तो आप कर सकते हैं। You're quite clever। Okay, so students, today we had seen numericals based on determinants, not only properties but also application of determinant। What was that? Cramer's rule, consistency, and ultimately it was area of triangle as well as quadrilateral, etc. So I request you to go through my previous video as well as this based on determinant again and again. Please press the bell icon as well as subscribe my channel to get more and more quality videos on mathematics and number of topics. Till then, thank you.